my own money. Here. Okay. Here. Today is a Saturday and we are bringing Ollie to his very first full grooming session. I'm not sure if you can tell, but he looks really shaggy right now. His hair is so long. I felt like he looks bigger than when we first brought him in, but I don't think he actually grew. I think it's just his fur getting longer and fluffier. So I think he's also a little bit bothered by the hair around his eyes and mouth. Yeah, we're gonna bring him go for his first full grooming. It is currently 10 a.m. Ollie's appointment is at 11, so we do still have some time. So I thought I would have a little catch up with you guys. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I'm using a new camera. It is the Insta360 Go Ultra. I just got it recently and I have been loving it so far. I think it's very similar to my previous favorite vlogging camera. So one of the reasons why I stopped vlogging is actually because my favorite vlogging camera spoiled, and that was the Canon Vixia Mini X. I've been looking for a similar camera. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but I low-key hate that camera. Like, I really don't know how to use it, and to me, I feel like it looks a little bit too cinematic, and I prefer something that's a bit more casual looking. I've really tried my best to use that camera to vlog, to be honest, and I really don't like it. So I found the Insta360 Go Ultra. It's not an ad, I bought it with my own money, but I just feel like it's such a great camera for vlogging everyday life, and it's waterproof. I think it'll be great for traveling. It's also really small, and I feel like it is the perfect camera to record my memories with Ollie, and that's why I got it. And then the second reason is something to do with my mental health, which I don't really want to say too much here because I feel like people go through different things and I don't want to say the wrong things. But if you're struggling with your mental health and you need someone to talk to, feel free to send me a DM or anything. I do not mind chatting with you or sharing my experience with you in private if you want to know. Yeah, it's something to do with my mental health, but I'm much better right now. I'm on medication. I tried to vlog 2 days ago when I was working from home, and then Ollie had diarrhea, and oh my god, like I got so busy, so overwhelmed because I had to work, and then I also had to clean him, and I also had to accompany him because I feel like he wasn't feeling well, and so he was like very needy, very clingy. I wanted him to sleep, but he wouldn't sleep unless I'm like outside here. So I had to sit outside here. My mind is like thinking about work, but I also have to make sure that he's fine. I do have some footage, so maybe I will insert them here right now just to not waste the footage.
Morning.
嗯。
他还会在这儿。
If she holler, if she holler, let her go.
어린 밤표 not to stop ride
Windows open, breeze rolls in. Quiet whispers where I've been. Couch for one, no need to share.